Pakistan's former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif on Saturday said that he was ousted from the government in 1999 by General Pervez Musharraf for opposing the Kargil, as he thought that it was important to have good relations with India. The three-time Prime Minister questioned why he was ousted from the office of the Prime Minister prematurely. Speaking to party ticket aspirants for upcoming polls, Sharif sought an explanation for his dismissals in 1993 and 1999, highlighting that his dissent on the Kargil plan, proven right later, led to his ouster. I should be told why I was ousted in 1993 and 1999. When I opposed the Kargil plan, saying it should not happen, I was ousted by General Pervez Musharraf. And later, what I said proved right, Sharif said. The Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz (PMLN) Supreme Leader said that on all three occasions, being the Premier, he was delivering, but he was sent packing, and that he did not know why. Stressing that Pakistan needed to improve relations with India and other neighbouring countries, he said, "We will have to improve our relations with India, Afghanistan and Iran. We need to make stronger relations with China." Discussing diplomatic achievements during his tenure, Sharif pointed out that two Indian Prime Ministers, Modi and Vajpayee, visited Pakistan, according to the report. He underscored the need to strengthen relations with India, Afghanistan, Iran and China, expressing regret over Pakistan's economic lag behind its neighbours. In criticism of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government led by jailed former chairman Imran Khan, Sharif attributed economic challenges to Khan's administration and credited his brother Shehbaz Sharif's government for stabilizing the country in April 2022. He also reiterated his demand for accountability of former military generals and judges for ruining the country by ousting his government in 2017, saying, "Those who brought this country to this level should be made accountable, as patriotic people can't do this to their country. We do not want to come into power to roam around in luxury cars, but we want accountability of those who ruined this country and made false cases against us." A month before his return to Pakistan after 4 years of self-imposed exile in the UK, Mr. Sharif had hinted at bringing former Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa, former ISI head Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid, and former Chief Justices of Pakistan Saqib Nisar and Asif Saeed Khosa for the crime of ousting his government and causing economic disaster. Mr. Sharif is holding meetings daily to award party tickets for the February 8 general elections next year.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.